The automotive industry is witnessing transformative changes in car design driven by technological advancements and a growing emphasis on sustainability. Here's an in-depth look at the latest trends shaping the aesthetics and functionality of cars. Aerodynamic efficiency. One of the prominent trends is the focus on aerodynamic efficiency. Car manufacturers are increasingly adopting sleek, streamlined designs to reduce drag and improve energy efficiency, particularly in electric and hybrid vehicles. This trend not only enhances the vehicle's performance, but also contributes to lower carbon emissions. Innovations such as active aerodynamics, where parts of the car's body adjust to optimize airflow, are becoming more common. For instance, vehicles like the Tesla Model S and the Lucid Air utilize aerodynamic principles to extend range and enhance performance. Additionally, concepts such as the Audi e-tron GT employ advanced aerodynamics, with features like retractable spoilers and adaptive air suspension to further reduce drag and improve stability. These aerodynamic advancements are crucial not only for performance, but also for meeting stricter environmental regulations and improving overall vehicle efficiency. Sustainable materials. Sustainability is a key driver in car design, with manufacturers incorporating eco-friendly materials. Interiors are seeing the use of recycled plastics, natural fibers, and vegan leather, reducing the environmental impact of production. Companies like Polestar and BMW are leading the way by integrating these materials without compromising on luxury and comfort. For example, Polestar's interiors use recycled PET bottles, fishing nets, and cork-based vinyl, while BMW has introduced a new line of sustainable materials under its I brand, emphasizing eco-friendliness without sacrificing quality. Additionally, brands like Mercedes-Benz and Audi are exploring the use of bamboo, a rapidly renewable resource, and Alcantara, a sustainable alternative to traditional suede, for their interior finishes. These efforts not only reduce the environmental footprint of vehicle production, but also promote a circular economy where materials are continually reused and recycled. Furthermore, the adoption of low-impact manufacturing processes and renewable energy sources in factories underscores the automotive industry's commitment to sustainability and innovation. Advanced color technologies. Color trends are evolving with innovative paint technologies that offer both aesthetic appeal and environmental benefits. BASF's new paint technologies include eco-friendly solutions that clean the air. Popular colors range from vibrant hues like Amplify Orange and Mint Green to sophisticated shades like Thunder Night Metallic and Earl Grey, reflecting a blend of boldness and elegance. These colors are designed not just to look good, but to also enhance visibility and safety on the road. Moreover, new color-shifting paints and finishes that change hue based on lighting conditions are gaining popularity. This technology, which involves the use of advanced pigments and application techniques, adds a dynamic element to car aesthetics, allowing vehicles to stand out and make a unique statement on the road. Additionally, manufacturers are incorporating UV-resistant coatings to maintain the vibrancy of these colors over time, ensuring long-lasting appeal. The use of water-based paints and other low-volatile organic compound solutions further reduces the environmental impact, aligning with the industry's shift towards sustainability. These advancements in paint technology not only meet consumer demands for customization and individuality, but also support broader environmental goals. Interior minimalism and functionality. The trend towards minimalist interiors continues to grow, emphasizing clean lines, simplicity, and functionality. This design philosophy is evident in models like the Tesla Model 3 and Polestar 2, which feature uncluttered dashboards and intuitive controls. This minimalist approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also improves driver focus and reduces distraction. Additionally, the use of large central touchscreens to control most of the car's functions helps reduce the number of physical buttons and switches, creating a cleaner and more modern look. The integration of multifunctional steering wheels and heads-up displays further streamlines the driving experience. These features allow drivers to access essential information without taking their eyes off the road, enhancing safety and convenience. Integrated technology and connectivity. Technological integration is at the forefront of modern car design. Touchscreens, virtual assistants, and advanced infotainment systems are standard in new models. Google's Android Automotive OS, featured in the Polestar 2, provides seamless connectivity and a user-friendly interface, enhancing the overall driving experience. Additionally, Features like heads-up displays and augmented reality navigation are becoming more prevalent. Voice-activated controls and AI-driven personal assistants, such as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, are increasingly integrated into vehicles, allowing for hands-free operation of various functions. This technology not only improves convenience, but also enhances safety by minimizing driver distraction. Electric and autonomous vehicle design. The rise of electric and autonomous vehicles is driving new design paradigms. Electric vehicles often feature unique aesthetics due to the absence of a traditional engine, allowing for more creative use of space. For example, the flat floor design in many EVs results in more cabin space and greater flexibility in interior layout. Autonomous vehicles are designed with an emphasis on passenger comfort and convenience, featuring spacious interiors and advanced safety systems. Concepts like the Volkswagen ID, Buzz, and the Canoe lifestyle vehicle showcase how the absence of a traditional driver's cockpit can create a more open and versatile interior space. These vehicles also incorporate advanced sensor arrays and cameras, which are seamlessly integrated into the design to maintain aesthetic appeal, while providing the necessary functionality for autonomous driving. Personalization and customization. Car buyers have a growing appetite for personalization. Manufacturers are offering a wide range of customization options, from exterior colors and finishes to interior materials and tech features. This trend is particularly strong in the luxury segment, where bespoke designs cater to individual preferences and lifestyles. Brands like Rolls-Royce and Aston Martin provide extensive customization programs, allowing customers to tailor every aspect of their vehicle to their liking. In addition to traditional customization options, digital configurators are becoming more sophisticated, enabling buyers to visualize and adjust their choices in real time. This enhances the buying experience and ensures that the final product perfectly matches the customer's vision. Enhanced lighting systems. Innovative lighting solutions are playing a significant role in car design. LED and OLED technologies allow for customizable lighting that enhances both the vehicle's exterior look and interior ambience. Advanced lighting systems improve visibility and safety, with features like adaptive headlights and dynamic turn signals becoming standard. Manufacturers are also exploring new ways to use lighting for aesthetic purposes, such as illuminated logos and customizable interior mood lighting. Matrix LED headlights and laser lights offer precise control over light distribution, improving nighttime driving safety without blinding other drivers. These technologies are now being integrated into more affordable models, making advanced lighting solutions accessible to a wider range of consumers. Focus on safety and driver assistance. Safety remains a top priority in car design. Advanced driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking, are now common. These technologies not only enhance safety, but also contribute to a more relaxed driving experience, paving the way for fully autonomous driving in the future. Innovations in sensor technology, including LiDAR and radar, provide more accurate and reliable detection of obstacles and other vehicles, enhancing the effectiveness of advanced driver assistance systems features. Additionally, vehicle-to-everything communication is becoming a crucial component of car safety systems, allowing vehicles to communicate with each other and with infrastructure to prevent accidents and improve traffic flow. Luxury and comfort. Despite the push towards minimalism and sustainability, luxury and comfort continue to be important. High-end models incorporate premium materials and cutting-edge technology to provide a superior driving experience. Features like climate-controlled seats, high-quality sound systems, and ambient lighting create a luxurious environment that appeals to discerning buyers. The use of high-quality materials, such as natural wood and fine leather, combined with meticulous craftsmanship, ensures that luxury cars maintain their allure and exclusivity. Luxury brands are also focusing on creating serene and quiet interiors, utilizing advanced soundproofing materials and active noise cancellation technologies to enhance comfort during drives. This attention to detail ensures that the driving experience is as enjoyable and relaxing as possible, even in urban environments. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest future updates. Let us know in the comments which car design trends you're most excited about. Stay tuned for more insightful content.